Is your Echo Dot stuck and not responding? Don't worry, I'm here to help. Today I'll guide you through resetting any Echo Dot, whether it's the first, second, third, fourth, or even the latest fifth generation. We'll get your device working smoothly again, just like new. Let's dive into the steps you need to bring your Echo Dot back to life. Before we dive into the reset process, make sure you've tried restarting your device. It's simple. Just unplug the power adapter from your Echo Dot or the outlet, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Sometimes, this is all it takes to fix any issues. If restarting didn't help, let's reset your device. Got a first-generation Echo Dot? Here's how you reset it. Grab a paper clip or something similar, and gently press the reset button you'll find right at the base of your Echo Dot. Wait for the light ring to turn off and then on again. This signals that your device is entering setup mode. If you need to completely wipe your device, press and hold the reset button for about 8 seconds. After the light ring cycles off and on, your device will be back in setup mode, and you can follow the setup instructions from the beginning. Now, if you have the second, third, fourth, or fifth generation Echo Dot, the steps are a bit different. Press and hold the action button for about 20 seconds. The action button is the one with a dot icon. Watch for the light ring to turn off and then on again, which means your Echo Dot is ready to be set up again. To perform a full factory reset, simultaneously press and hold the volume down and microphone off buttons for 20 seconds until the light ring turns off and on. Remember, these resets erase all your personal information, along with any smart home connections you've set up. A quick tip before we wrap up: if resetting doesn't solve the problem, or if you plan to stop using your Echo Dot, consider deregistering it from your Amazon account. This removes all settings and personalizations. That's it. You now know how to reset your Echo Dot, no matter the generation. For more tips and tricks on making the most of your smart devices, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.